In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Freeagent for beginners. We'll walk through the core things you need to get up and running, connecting your bank accounts, and then managing invoicing, expenses, projects, estimates, and contacts. By the end, you should feel confident using Freeagent as your day-to-day accounting hub. Let's start with your bank accounts. In the main menu, head over to the banking section. Here you can connect directly to your business bank. This is really important because once the connection is set up, Freeagent will automatically import your transactions for you. That means no more typing everything in manually or uploading endless statements. If you use business credit cards, add those as separate accounts in the same area. When you create a new credit card account, make sure you enter the correct opening balance. This should match what your card statement shows on the date you start using Freeagent. Getting this right helps keep your running totals accurate from day one. As new transactions flow in from your bank and cards, you'll see them listed and waiting to be explained. Explaining a transaction simply means telling Freeagent what it was for, such as a client payment, a software subscription, or a travel expense. Work through these regularly so your accounts stay tidy and up to date. Next, let's look at Freeagent's core functions, starting with invoicing. Go to the invoicing section and create a new invoice. Add your line items, such as services or products, set the invoice and due dates, and upload your business logo so everything looks professional. When you're happy, you can email the invoice directly from Freeagent or save it as a PDF and send it another way. Once it's gone to the client, mark it as sent so your records stay accurate. For regular work, set up recurring invoices so Freeagent sends them automatically and can issue reminders if a payment is late. For expenses, use the mobile app to take clear photos of your receipts as soon as you get them. These upload straight into Freeagent, where you can assign them to the correct categories. This saves time and reduces the chance of losing important paperwork. Projects help you see how profitable specific jobs are. Create a project for each piece of work, then track income and expenses against it. You can issue invoices directly from a project or even build a project from an estimate you've already created. Speaking of estimates, you can create and send these by choosing a contact, adding item details, and then saving or emailing them. You can also duplicate estimates to reuse a format for similar work in the future. Finally, keep your contacts tab organized with all your clients and suppliers. Accurate contact details make invoicing, estimates, and project setup much faster and keep everything connected inside Freeagent.